Have you ever opened a neuroscience or psychology paper and seen these strange brain slices with blobs of color, arrows, and numbers? It feels impossible to read. But actually, once you know three simple ideas, the cuts, the directions, and the coordinates, it all makes sense. The cuts, how the brain is sliced, sagittal, side view, slice it down the middle, left and right halves. If it's exactly in the middle, it is equal to mid-sagittal, shows both hemispheres separated. Coronal, front view, slice it ear to ear, like putting on a crown. Divides the brain into front and back. Axial, horizontal, top view, slice it flat, like cutting a burger bun. Divides the brain into top and bottom. Once you know these three cuts, you can always tell what kind of slice you're looking at. Orientation words. Every map needs directions. Here are the brain's compass points. Anterior, rostral, is front. Posterior, caudal, is back. Dorsal, superior, is top, think, dorsal fin, of a dolphin. Ventral, inferior, is bottom. Medial is toward the middle. Lateral is toward the side. The coordinates, brain GPS, in brain imaging, like MRI or fMRI, you'll often see numbers like x equals -20, y equals -10, z equals +15. This is a coordinate system, like GPS, based on brain atlases. X equals left to right, y equals back to front, z equals bottom to top. Example, x equals -20, y equals -10, z equals +15 means 20 mm to the left, 10 mm behind the vertical middle, and 15 mm above the base. So those mystery numbers are just the brain's address system. 5 general steps to read any brain figure. 1. Identify the plane, the cut. Is it sagittal, side, coronal, front, or axial, top? 2. Check the orientation, the compass, use the words anterior equals front, posterior equals back, dorsal equals top, ventral equals bottom, medial equals middle, lateral equals side. 3. Find the highlighted region. Look for colored blobs, shaded areas, or arrows pointing to specific structures. That's where the action is. 4. Read the labels or coordinates. If labels are given, note the structure, for example, hippocampus. If coordinates, x, y, z, are shown, remember, x equals left, right, y equals front, back, z equals top, bottom. 5. Interpret what it means. Ask, why is this region shown? Is it active, in fMRI, damaged, in pathology, or just being illustrated, in anatomy?